Hi guys! How are you? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! So today I'll be unboxing a new package from Miss Cindy. I got this from Shopee. Let's see what's inside. And I'll put the name, her account on the description box below. So please check. Okay, I'm very excited. Tingnan natin ang laman. Ta-da! It's for my flying camera. It's a tripod. A tripod. Here. So, try natin siya and I'll give you my update kung ano ang ano niya. Ano ba siya? Ano ba siya? So, this one, magaan siya. Kaya lang, the problem is, itong parang foam, gumagalaw siya. Oh, see? Oh, look up. Kung baka ganyan na siguro talaga siya. At least, meron akong pang phone na ano, tripod. And, oh my gosh! Hala! Selfie! Selfie ring light. Dalawa. As in. Hala. Ano pala na-order ko? Oh. So, sa loob, meron siyang wire niya. USB wire. Tsaka ito. Selfie ring light. Length is 88 mm. And width niya is 85. 3 lights. White lights. Puro white lights siya. Live show even in low lights. iPad, iPhone series, Android series. Okay. So, paano ba ito? Paano ito? Hindi ako marunong. Paano ito siya nagamit? Hey. Ayun! Oh! Hala! Uy, maganda siya. Oh, see, ay, sorry. Basta, maganda siya. Pwede ba siya, ay, see, ma-adjust siya, in fairness. Oh, look. Ayan, hi. Off na. So, low, wait, medium, and high. Oh, nice. Para siyang may pagka-yellow and white. Maybe. Feeling ko lang, ha. Nice one. Ganda. So, this one, wait, I'll give you the price, okay? I'll just put at the description box na lang. And this one, oh, it's another selfie, sorry. Yes, tama, tripod selfie. Here. There. Kasi, pag binili ko siya dito sa, dyan sa Uyanggo rin, sa Chinatown, ang mahal. Ang mahal talaga. See? Oh! Uy, maganda ang quality niya. Kasi yung dun sa ano, parang ayoko na magsalita pero iba siya. Parang rough. Uy, nice. Oh! Parang true na talaga. As in. Oh! See? Ha! Happy na ako. See? I'm so proud of myself. May nabili ako. Oh, ayan. There. Pwede na ako mag-makeup. Diba? Diba, Kuya Mark? No? Mark? Pwede na ako mag-makeup. I'm so excited. Oops. Next one. And the last one. Okay. Let's continue. So, ito yun. Yung last order ko. It's the enlarged mobile phone. Ito yun siya. So, your mobile phone is too small for long hour watching or reading. Your eyes will be very tired. Use mobile magnifier enlarge 3 times of your mobile. So, try natin. Kasi, kaya lang ang ginagamit yung phone ko. Paano ko siya? To try. Just give you an update. So, there. ilalagay yung phone dito. Ito siya. Tapos